Ano, effective ka ba? Nag-work ka ba sa akin? Ano ba? Uy, uy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to update the two products that I got from Celeteque. This is the toner and this is the Celeteque Dermascience Skincare Moisturizer. So what are my thoughts about this product? I used this last January. Yung ano natin guys, calendar. This is from Daiso. I've been writing this when I use it. For the toner in here, it says, okay, I don't know if you can see it. This is January 14. Today is March 5. Ito na yung kinalabasan ng ating product. So, malapit na siyang maubos. Okay, what are my thoughts about it? Let me read through it very quick. This is Celeteque Dermascience Hydration Alcohol-Free Toner with witch hazel extract and dermatologist tested for sensitive to dry skin, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, and fragrance-free. I think this is about dito na lang guys. Less than 200 pesos, okay? 125 ml. And directions at the back. Moisten cotton with Celeteque Dermascience Hydration Alcohol-Free Toner. Apply to face and neck with gentle upward strokes. And then store below 30C, made in the Philippines. Alright, what are my thoughts? This will give you hydration if you are dry skin. Yes, it will help. I have combo skin. T-zone area very oily, here dry spots, dry. And with makeup and all, with this toner, I think for me, with my skin, I preferably not. Maybe I could use the Nivea toner. I will leave a link here about my review on that. That one I would use under makeup if I use a toner. This, preferably, I will use this at night. It's better because in the morning when I wake up, my skin is very hydrated, very fresh. At saka hindi talaga siya nagko-crack. Yung maganda siya sa balat, you know, if you are using it at night. I prefer to use it at night. This doesn't have a smell. I don't have any reaction to it. No problems at all. Magaan sa skin. Not skin irritating. Hindi siya mahapdi sa balat. Parang wala lang siya. And hindi siya sticky. Hindi siya madaling mag-absorb sa skin. So you have to let it sit for a little while. Maybe like 3 minutes to 5 minutes until mag-sunk in sa skin. And for cleaning, or not cleaning, like if it can help with removing makeup, a little bit, yes. But I would still be, prior to that, of course you need to clean your face really good. Double cleansing and then toner, then you're good. And then also I have this product right here. They're Celeteque Dermascience. This is just going to be my update about it. I will not read through it because I already did. I will put a link here about my first impression on this product, and this is going to be my update on the product. Okay, lagyan na natin ng ganyan. Anyway, so this is their Dermascience Celeteque Sun Care Facial Moisturizer. What are my thoughts about it? It's very hydrating, guys. I do love this at night. In the morning, still I do like it in the morning. I don't think I have problems with it. Would I recommend it? Yes, I do. Because if you have oily combo skin, this is good for you. For makeup, since this is a little bit more of a hydration for me. See, you can see that I only been using powder foundation and just, you know, underneath my skincare, and this one also I've been using it. If you have oily skin, maybe it can produce more oil on you. Just for making my skin soft, smooth, no reaction to it. Yes. Okay. Wala akong problema sa product nito. It might going to be my staple moisturizer. And finally, I found a moisturizer na hindi ako nagka-pimple. Ito talaga siya guys, oh. Ang hirap mag-heal. So far, when I tried this, let me see my calendar. When I got it, or when I started using this, February 10. I got here my calendar, February 10. I started using it. Today is March 5. It's almost a month. And so far, I do recommend it if you have oily combo skin, but just be mindful that it will create, or hindi naman masyadong magiging ma-oily yung skin mo. Pero kung ikaw yung gusto na matte yung skin mo, it might not be a good one for you, but for me, okay lang sa akin, at least, kasi nga matanda ng lola nyo guys. Ayoko yung crack face, so sa akin okay lang siya, okay? I haven't tried this with a makeup, like liquid foundation. I haven't tried it, but powder foundation, ito lang ngayon. Okay naman siya sa akin. Everyday, this is my kind of makeup, except for blush and only lipstick and my eyes. So far, it's working on me. I like it. The smell doesn't have any smell. Nope, nothing at all. And very hydrated talaga yung skin ko. And at night, I use it like more than in the morning. Kasi in the morning, sometimes mamadali ako. Konti lang, pahid-pahid. Parang kinamagwangan ra ba. So, but I like it. I would recommend it if you are looking for products na mura siya, na effective naman sa mga sensitive skin. You can try it, guys. So again, disclaimer, this may work for me, it might not work for you, okay? So just to throw it out there. And if you have any questions, or if you have something that's strange about this product, let me know, comment down below, so I could be aware about it. It's better to be warned with something, right? Rather than not, parang nagpabutabungol ka ba? It's better, I like to hear other people's opinion about a product, so that I could be aware that in the future, if it could happen to me, then I might as well be warned about it. So this is it. This is my opinion about these two products right here from Celeteque. I would recommend it. And if you want to purchase, look, I think there's many out there in Watson's and department stores. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I make a new upload. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye!